Did you know that in ChatGPT you can add pretty much any chat to a project? It's really easy to do. It's also really easy to miss. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, I just go to chatgpt.com and log in if you need to, and you get to this page. And let me see. Well, first of all, if you don't know what a project is, it's basically let's call it a container, where you can put multiple chats and you can use other chats for context. So if I want to come in here and start a new chat and there's something that's in this chat that's relevant, it'll actually use that chat for context. And you can add files to also use for context. And then you can set custom instructions for a project. So it's a really, feature-rich folder for ChatGPT chats. Well, let me just go to an old chat because it doesn't really matter. So let's say that I just put this chat in. Or, I guess you could use this example where you have an old one, like I need to put this in a project. This was just an example about how to get ChatGPT to help you organize tasks. So here's the prompt, and then here's the response, and the details don't really matter, so I'm scrolling through it kind of quickly, and it's like, okay, so what? If after I did this, I'm like, I really want to add this to that training project, you have to come up here to the upper right, and the little ellipsis here, little 3 dots here, click on that, and then you have an option to move to project. You can either create a new project for it or put it in one of your existing projects. So I'm going to put it in the training project. And where are you? And now it's here. That's all you have to do. Like I said, it's really easy. It's just, unless you know it's there, you'll miss it. So now if I just go back to a new chat and then I go back in training project, it's like, here's the one I just moved over. So like that's there until I, choose to delete it or move it to a different project. But come on, go back. So just to go over that again, chatgpt.com, and then you can either type in a new chat, or if you have an existing one, where are you? I guess I have to pick a new one. When you have your response from the chatbot, if you just click on the 3 dots in the upper right, and then move to project, and then you can move it over to whichever project you want. And that's it. Let's try that out and see what you think, and I'll see you next time.